In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a claim in Progressive Insurance, step by step. Whether you've just had a fender bender or discovered damage to your vehicle, this walkthrough will take you from the first moments after an incident all the way to finalizing your claim. Start by going to Progressive's website and opening the claim section. If you already have an online account, sign in so you can file and manage everything in one place. This is where you'll begin a new claim. Before you file, focus on safety and gather the basics. If it's a car accident, move to a safe location if possible, call the police if needed, and avoid admitting fault at the scene. Once you're safe, jot down what happened and any visible damage so you don't forget key details. Next, look over your policy so you know what applies. Check which coverages you carry, like collision, comprehensive, or rental reimbursement. Having that context will help you understand what costs may be covered and what the process will likely look like for your situation. Now you're ready to report the claim online through your Progressive account. The system will guide you through a few short screens. You'll be asked for essential facts, including the date, time, and location of the incident. Enter information carefully and accurately to prevent delays. After you submit, Progressive assigns a claims representative or adjuster to review your file. They may reach out with questions, assess the damage, and prepare or confirm an estimate. This evaluation helps determine the scope of repairs or the appropriate payment amount based on your coverage. When it's time to fix the vehicle or settle up, you can choose where to repair. Progressive's network shops offer guaranteed repairs, or you can select your own trusted shop. Review the estimate, ask clarifying questions, and make sure you understand any out-of-pocket costs like any deductible. You can track your claim online or in the app at any time. You'll see your claim number, your adjuster's contact details, the repair shop information, and payment status. Checking in helps you stay on schedule and respond quickly to any requests. Finally, once repairs are complete or payment is issued, confirm that everything is settled. Make sure the work meets your expectations and that all documents are saved for your records. With that, your Progressive claim is complete and you can get back on the road with confidence.